hello, my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady Joy? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Now this one that they say, see me oh, see balaba oh, see me oh, see balaba oh, my darling people. I say today, make I see brush Facebook. Ma see wetin dey happen for there. Now I drop my bicycle. Now I say, okay, oh, make I reach Facebook. Make I see wetin dey share, wetin dey happen for there, my darling people. Now I see one video where one girl dey attack a boyfriend. They say, now you give me belle, oh. Now you give me belle, oh. The boy, they say, no, not being give her belle. I was like, is she kidding me? I say, my affair look and whether this thing a comedy, because not the way they not they do comedy these days. Now I look am, I look the video. Now I say the girl they cry or say now the guy give her belle. The boy they say no. How many times I do? How you go say na me give you belle? I was like, a grown-up woman like you don't know who give you belle. Like seriously, a grown-up woman like you don't know who give you belle. Then they come they say the boy. Okay, does it mean say you were dating this guy and the other guy together, then you not gonna know who give you belle? My people, the belle don't even shook out. Oh, my jolly people, wetin dey happen for una body? Wetin dey shele for una? How can a matured woman come out for Facebook, the drag man say, now you give me belle, oh, now you give me belle, oh, like say you be baby. My darling people, how una go take advise this kind person? How una go take advise her, my darling people? How can a grown-up woman go say no who give her belle? My people, where that kind thing for the happen? Where it for the happen? A matured woman no who give her belle, my darling people. Now the matter where they ground, though, I go put the video more and see where they drag the guy, oh, say now the boy give her belle, oh. My people, not the way Musa no go still forget. This Musa self, you don't see. So tell Musa even can't tire. Musa can't even tire for the matter. My darling people, this woman so, you not sure say it dey okay. My own won't get commenters there. But me wanna help me advise this woman whether she dey okay. How can a mature woman like this go they find who give her belle? For this era where we dey now. Now a mature woman don't know who give her belle, my darling people. This one they shockalize me. Oh. This one they shock me. Like it shocked them, my darling people. I will put the video for you people to watch and see where a mature woman go they cry say no who give her belle, my darling people. If this woman are your senior sister, what you go tell her? Wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. My old bonge subscribers there. I beg anytime you watch my video, please always put thumbs up on my video, my darling people. Let me they put thumbs up and let me they share and make the whole world they hear and thank you, my darling people. Let me put the video for you people to watch. Then you will know how to leave your comments. Bye.
Don't get the belle. I give me belle. See, when I travel, ask me. When I travel, I travel go motor, I go walk. When I talk. Okay. My friend call me say there is someone on that man for house. Now 9 months I spent for there. How many months did you this belle? This belle dey 8 months. I don't be 9 months. Okay, now your belle. When it come out, now you fuck. Now 7 months, now you get that. Don't be 9 months. Now you fuck or you not fuck. Now 9 months, which kind of 9 months? Okay, now my friend. Which kind of 9 months? Yeah, you think say now you. Oh, where you dey go? How carry your go? Because I don't buy motor. I don't buy motor. When you dey suffer, this day stand for. I don't take there. When she plan for house you go. No, I stay your house. I beg. See how they disgrace yourself. Another man, Belle. Now you give me Belle. Shut up. Now you give me the Belle. Another man. People say she dey told me, you not concern me. Now she give me the Belle. Now you give me the Belle. Another man picking, now you want give me. That's what they do for Europe. Now you sleep. Europe guests. That's what they do. I don't blame you. Another man picking, now she want give me. You don't deny the Belle. See this one, you don't know yourself. You get mad, they talk to me anyhow. You not fuck. You fuck and you not fuck. Now you get picking. You can't get your responsibility. Give my motor key. Which one they give you? You don't go collect.
He there with me. I
Give me
don't
a car
collect.
key.
Collect the key.
I don't collect. I don't come out.
Give me a car key.
I don't
Don't give her that key. Now you give me the Belle.
Tell your son to give me a car key.
He not gonna give you that car key. Why you tell me say?
When I never buy motor, when I dey suffer.
Forget motor. Now my house you
That's what
dey.
they do.
Now my house why you dey?
Once they dey Europe, they see say the boy don dey better, don dey progress. And I thought they carry people better.
I dey suffer. I dey wait. Make you come. They don't say, hey, no. I gotta remove the Belle. Now I gotta remove 7 months Belle.
Look at the key.
Now I gotta remove 7 months. Okay, why you not be why you so bad for go remove?
People they call me, and they see your wife with another man.
Now you keep
and they
the
see your
man
wife.
for me.
See your
When
life.
you come and you see man for my house. When you come, you see man.
That trouser when I still get them.
Who's trouser?
See. I see one trouser. Who get this trouser? Who get this trouser? Who get these bossers? What do you talk?
Which bossers?
No, I thought you said na me get them. Me. I don't know what's in I buy. I see trouser, I see bossers. I say I'm my house. Don't make it Belle.
Ask when that house where you rent. Now, before you come out, my son has
Give my car key, madam.
Okay, I'm not give you car key.
Give my car key.
I'm not give you any car key. Carry your responsibility.
I'll call police.
When you never anything, now this girl now she stand for you. Now she dey help you. Now your leg don't better. She don't change your leg now.
I call police.
You don't get mad.
You want the weakness, so if police come, you
Now you
will
give me the Belle.
Carry your responsibility.
I call police.
Now you give me the Belle.
Carry your responsibility.
How you give me Belle?
When you see say they go take care of this baby.
Madam, come on, you might not slap you.
Okay, try am. Carry your
You
responsibility.
give me Belle. You tell me say,
Like the
now
mother
go
of your
remove.
baby.
Now go remove the Belle.
Like the mother of your baby. He carry your baby.
You
Now
know,
go remove.
When you see say now you dey go.
Now go let go remove the Belle. I saw you know why they do that. Go give my Belle. They go deny am. They go deny am.
run talk.
Tell the police. Now yourself you want call police for.
Run
You want
talk.
call your police for yourself.
Io problema qua, donna, c'è, come si chiama? Vedo di qua, Belle. You speak English? You speak English?
Miriam.
Yeah, hello.
They say that you come in, you no go do DNA test. You say you know they do.
When I call police,
You know they do DNA test. But you say that your Belle. Now you get them.
how is police there?
Who go do the DNA
No,
test?
make
You
police
say no.
come. Make police come.
I know the Belle. That one concern you.
Give me a car key.
Okay, I'm not dey give you.
No, man,
You
no,
know
man.
they go and move
I
you.
will blow you.
Carry your responsibility.
You know who is
Carry
Belle.
your responsibility. You be
No,
man.
no,
Are you not a man now?
You know who is Belle now.
Oh, that man picking.
Which another man pick?
When you dey fuck her, you fuck her, you not fuck her.
No man now.
You fuck her, you not fuck her. Talk to them.
You don't talk with you. You don't know see apple. No, you talk.
Now my friends, I need to talk.
Tell your friend that you told me to give her the
Are you giving me the Belle?
Now you
Turn roll down, roll down, roll